Welcome to another new video of DRB Digital. I am Divyaranjan from DRB Digital. In this video, we are going to discuss how to achieve sales goals with help of digital marketing. So without wasting any further time, let's jump into this video. We can divide digital marketing in two different phases. One is organic marketing and another one is paid marketing or inorganic marketing. So in digital marketing, organic marketing means social media postings, search engine optimization and creation contents and engaging with the target audience without spending on the market. Paid advertising or inorganic advertising means spending on social media ads, Google ads, YouTube ads and any other platforms. Influencer marketing also plays an important role in paid advertising. Now let's see how to achieve sales goals with help of paid marketing as well as organic marketing. But before all these things, we have to find out what are the goals for a specific business and what is the main priority of that business. Whether the company wants to establish its business in the market or it wants to scale its business to the next level. Whether it's a new business or whether it's a proper established business. We have to also see whether the competition of the business is so high or there is a moderate competition for that business. And if the business can spend money on advertisements or it can't spend a lot of money and it only can focus on organic marketing. Depending on all these factors, we have to decide whether it's better to go with paid marketing or whether the company can go with paid marketing as well. So based on all these factors, let's take two examples. One, the business can run ads and it has proper money to spend on advertising and it wants to scale. And second example is that the business is just get started and it just want to establish its business on the market. So let's talk about the first example where the business wants to scale and it can spend money on advertisements. So in the first example, we can see that the company can spend money on advertisements and the business is properly established. Along with that, it wants to scale. In this case, the best suggestion would be that the company should focus both type of advertisements. Through organic marketing, it can establish its brand value in the market, and with paid advertisements, it can achieve its sales goals. Let's say that through organic marketing, the company already getting sales. But I have to say that through organic marketing, the sales can't be controlled. It can't be scaled very much. So if the company wants to scale, then it's better to focus on paid advertisements. So let's say that the company wants to achieve a sales of 1 crore for the month of August. But let's say that the company is getting 20 to 25 lakhs sales every month. So through the organic marketing, the sales can be like sometimes it may be some little down and sometimes it will high, but it can't be constant and it can't be controlled. So to achieve the sales goal of 1 crore, the company have to focus on paid marketings. Now let's see how the company can achieve these sales goals with help of paid marketing. So let's say that the company is providing IT solution services to another businesses. So let's say that the average ticket price of the company is 10 lakhs. So to get the sales of 1 crore for the month of August, it has to be get 10 clients. In this case, let's say that the company's target market lies on YouTube. They are mostly hang out on YouTube. So the company run ads on YouTube and generating leads for the business from YouTube itself. So after doing testing and run advertisements on YouTube, they find that average cost of lead is 2000 rupees. Now the company is able to close one deal out of 20 leads. So in this case, the company has to get 200 leads so that they can close 10 deals out of it. And the remaining 190 leads would be there on the sales funnel. So the company can reach out and nurture the leads and close deals out of the remaining leads in the future. So in this case, the cost of 200 leads would be 2 lakhs rupees. So it's now clear that the company has to spend 2 lakh rupees on YouTube advertisements. Now let's jump to the second example and see whether the company which is not able to spend much on advertisements and it has to and it just started its business, so it has to properly depend on organic marketing. So what the company can do is that it can focus only on organic marketing. It has to create a lot of content, that is whether it is video content or written content, blogs. It has to focus on blogs and video content and post it regularly on its social media channels. Along with that, it also has to focus the right platform where its target audience is hanging out. And let's say the company is a B2B business company, so in this case the LinkedIn would be a perfect match for the company where its target market are hanging out. So it can focus on LinkedIn and create content which are more likely to attract the LinkedIn audience. And also the company also can focus on search engine optimization, through that it can achieve its initial sales through organic marketing. And yes, another thing that I want to add, that if your industry has a lot of competition, then the business have to be run ads, and it has to be focused on paid advertisements because it already has a lot of competition. So the conclusion of this video is it's all depend upon the company, whether the company has a lot of competition or not, whether the company can spend money on ads or not, whether the company just want to establish its business, or the company is already established and it want to scale. So it is all depend on the company and its goals. So this is it for this video, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.